Hello, Can Do Guy here. I have some more tools from Harbor Freight. Purchased them today. Let's take a look. This is the lifetime warranty Pittsburgh Pro 5-piece flex head combo wrench set. This is the SAC standard. They come with fully polished 12-point black oxide box ends, 72 tooth ratchets. Size is 3/8, 7/16, 1/2, 9/16, and 5/8. Highly glossed up. Nice looking chrome. Made in Taiwan. This is a 5-piece set. And now we'll look at the other one, which is also lifetime warranty Pittsburgh Pro 5-piece flex head combo wrench set. Fully polished 12-point black oxide box ends, 72 tooth ratchet. Sizes are 10, 12, 13, 14, and 15 millimeter. These are metric. Pittsburgh Pro. I like the way these heads rotate. And of course, this again is also, this is made in China. One's made in China, one's made in Taiwan. Don't make sense. These were normal priced, in-store original price of $29.99. I got them for $19.99 today. It's a $10 off coupon discount. Okay, give me a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.